And in other news tonight, a 22-year-old man is dead after a customer became upset while waiting online at a Burger King in Orange County, Florida.
According to deputies, Desmond Armond Joshua was working as a clerk at the restaurant. A female customer got upset by the wait time, and Joshua refunded her money and she left. However, she brought a man back to the restaurant with her. That man, 37-year-old Kelvis Rodriguez-Tormes, demanded to fight Joshua, putting him in a headlock and choking him. Then, after the fight was broken up, Rodriguez-Tormes got his gun and shot Joshua. Rodriguez-Tormes is now facing several charges, including first-degree murder.
And joining us now is attorney John Phillips, who has some experience with such cases, including one which occurred in Jacksonville, Florida, where a man shot a youngster over loud music. Welcome to the show, sir. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
At first read of the police report, the victim, an employee at Burger King, did most everything right, refunded the woman's money, but things still spiraled out of control. Was there anything else that could have been done by he or any of the other employees or anybody at Burger King?
I mean, not in this particular situation. You've got a young man with his, a brand new to the job. What else could he have done? Been armed himself? I mean, it's just despicable that now we're killing people over fast food.
Are we seeing an uptick, Attorney Phillips, in these particular cases due to COVID-19 and the pandemic and people just being on edge everywhere?
Things certainly are more tense than what we've seen, and I don't know if it's the social media era, the instant gratification era, or just the frustrations with the economy and COVID. But we're, as a wrongful death lawyer, it's always the toughest call we get when a family like this calls and says they've lost a son, they've lost a child. It's just truly tragic. And in circumstances like this, in the Jordan Davis case, which you referenced, it was over loud music. Michael Dunn's last words were, "You're not going to talk to me like this." And here it's, "You didn't give me my refund fast enough."
So who exactly will be held responsible? I mean, is it Burger King that's held liable?
Certainly, there's criminal courts and civil courts, and in the criminal courts, you'll see Mr. Tormes and potentially his wife or fiance held liable. She's the one that called him up there. Depends on what she knew and when. Then there was the disposal of the gun, also a crime. On the civil side, there could be a lawsuit against them. There could be a negligent security lawsuit against Burger King, but because he was an employee, it may be workers' comp. They need to get deep into the legal weeds to figure out civil claims, criminal claims, and the first thing parents tend to want to do is just kind of put their life back together.
And that's what your field of expertise. Let me ask you this: what have you identified that compels people to react to conflict with such violence?
We opened up Pandora's box in 2005 with Stand Your Ground and guns in this country. In Florida, there's about 150,000 concealed weapons permit holders, and those are the ones that are just licensed and legal. We call it a glove box in this country, but it's really a gun box. We've just filled our country full of guns, and people are using them more and more. And as I said, nothing good nothing good comes when Pandora's box is open.
Attorney John Phillips, thank you so much for your input and your expertise. We appreciate your help tonight, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate your channel.
Thank you so much.